Hi, this is a quick video on how to access your Google Classroom materials after a class has finished and you no longer have access to the Google Classroom. So first, you want to be in your Google account that you signed up for your Google Classroom from, and go into your Google Apps waffle menu and go into your drive. If you have received assignments, the actual documents from those assignments will be in a folder in your drive automatically. So a teacher will create a document for you for your assignment, and that automatically saves in your drive in your classroom folder. So if you click on that classroom folder, you will see the names of your classrooms. I have 3 different classrooms that I belong to. The one I'm going to show to demonstrate is the Intro to Small Business class. When I open that, automatically I will see all of these assignments from the Google Classroom. And these are all of the ones that the teacher assigned to me during the full course. The picture of this here was not an assignment. This one I manually moved into or saved into my classroom folder in Drive. And now I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Google Classroom. Again, you can use your waffle if you are coming from your Drive, for example, or from your whichever folder you want to come from. You're going to use your Google Waffle and go down to your classroom. Okay, I already have that over here, so I'm going to just go there. Okay, here's the class I'm using to demonstrate. You can access your Google Drive folder here. But that does not show all of the other materials. Those only show your assignments that were given to you during the course. So go into classwork. You will have to decide which materials you want to upload into your Drive folder. So all of them are available, but you have to do them one by one. So I could choose, for example, that I want to move into my folder this document, My Business Next Steps. So I open that document and I can view the material, or I can just open it. I just click on it to open it. I literally have to make a copy into my folder for each of these documents. So I will go to File, Make a Copy. Then down here where it says Folder, I need to choose where in my Drive. I think it's a great idea to save it all in the same place, which is your classroom folder. That is automatically there when you join a Google Classroom. So follow the direction of the arrow, and now here's my classroom folder. And since I have 3 different classrooms, I need to choose which one I want to put it in. And I'm going to put it in Intro to Small Business, and then I can select. That will move, and okay. That will move this document now into my folder. And there it is. It's in my Intro to Small Business, in my classroom, in my Drive. That's very arduous. It's a big process, but it is the only way to get the other documents from the class into your own folders. The same thing will work for PowerPoints. So if you want, or the slideshows. So any document that you want, you can click on, and you can open, and you can file, make a copy, entire presentation, My Drive, follow the arrow, and choose your folder, select. Okay. And then I can show you that that will appear in your folder. So just a quick review of how to get to your folder. Let me just close it. Again, you're going to want to go to, unfortunately, it just switched on me. So let me see if I can get, there we go. You want to go to your Google Apps waffle and find your drive. Find your classroom folder that is automatically created when you join a Google Classroom. Find the folder for that particular class if you have more than one. And you will see all of your assignments and anything that you make a copy and move from the Google Classroom into your classroom folder in My Drive. And that's it. It's a lot of work, but that's how you're going to get the documents from one place to another. Thanks.